Hey guys, welcome back to video number 3 on my TUM application tips. Today we'll be talking about the curricular analysis. So what is it actually? Well, if we look directly on the TUM website and the application information, we can actually see, for example, under the application, and there's a hyperlink to the definition of what it is. Basically, it is essentially an Excel sheet that you download from one of these websites, your desired master's program, and then you input whatever courses you actually took in your bachelor's, kind of like copying it over from your transcript, and then putting it into this spreadsheet so that it can automatically calculate with greater accuracy what would have been your TUM grade in your bachelor's. It's basically a spreadsheet. I had to fill it out for material science and engineering. I put a PDF copy of what I submitted so that we could take a look here. Essentially, you just follow the instructions on the spreadsheet. You just fill out the gray cells, so stuff like here, which is your name as well as date of birth, as well as nationality, your application number, what your bachelor's was, how many years you actually spent on this bachelor's course of study, and then you just essentially read the instructions and then enter it in. Essentially, they ask you here to enter in your highest as well as the lowest marks possible. If they're the same for your entire program, then great. Some people, if they're applying while they're still in their bachelor's degree, might not have enough credits to fill out on here, but I applied and I finished my degree, which is why my final list of courses is quite long, and I ended up having excessive credits, a lot of excessive credits actually. There's a lot of courses I didn't put in here, but the point is that you have the chance here to really put the most relevant courses to your desired master's program here. And a tip I would say would make sense is to put the ones with the highest mark, because ultimately they convert this to what would be your grade according to the TUM system, and they most likely take this into consideration. I don't know how much they weigh it when they're evaluating your application, but it's most likely important if they make you fill out an entire Excel sheet here. Just FYI. So this is what mine looked like. I followed the North American system, so our highest possible mark was of course a 4.0, a fail was a 2.0, and then I put all my engineering courses here, so energy, electrical, instrumentation, physical chemistry, nanomaterials, material science, fluid mechanics, etc. I also put some German in here so they can see I actually took some German. Yeah, that's about it. Just put in your grades, put in how many credits they were, the actual grade you got in this column, and then everything should automatically calculate, and all you have to do is upload this spreadsheet online on your application. With that, I'll close this video. Hopefully you found this helpful, and best of luck.